Welcome to ESP32 Learning Series, and in this video I'm going to make a very simple traffic signal system. And to build this project we need 3 LEDs and 3 resistors, 220 ohm and or 330 if we have, and then ESP32 along with breadboard and few jumper wires. Okay, so just follow along the way I'm doing and you should be able to make the project. Now it's time to connect USB cable to upload the code. When we're done with wire connection, just visit this URL. The link is in description, and on this page you will see a lot of details to make this project, like additional detail. So the one I have showed in and I am showing in the video, as well as you will see details to make this project on this blog also. Okay, I'll show you that. So let's go ahead and open Arduino IDE and remove this code. Click on file and click on preferences, and here click on this, and if you do not see this URL, just copy it from this page and paste here. Okay, it's a package. You need to click OK and click OK again. This is the first thing. So if you see here, the installation has been done, right, for the board, and this is the step. The second thing you need to do is you need to install the board also. Okay, just click on tools and board, click on tools, click on board, and then click on board manager, and you need to just search ESP32. In my case it is already being installed, so I do not have to install again. If in your machine it is not installed, go ahead and install it. I'll close it. Now down below, if you see, there is Arduino code. Copy the code from here. Okay, copy the code from here and paste into Arduino IDE. Now you see here there is no board selected. The very first thing I need to do, I need to choose the right board. In my case it is automatically selecting board type, so depending on product it changes. It may not be same. So for me it is LilyGo, and maybe for you it may be something else. All right, If it does not detect automatically, just click on tools, and then you need to click on board, and here from ESP32 just select the right you know uh, board type, like the way I did, and then you can go ahead and upload the code. If you want, you can also compile the sketch to make sure if there is any error. Although if you copy paste from the block which I showed, and then definitely there is no error. If there is any error, just see if we have copied all the code from this block. Okay, sometimes we miss maybe first or last line, so make sure you copied everything from the block, and it will not fail. So the bottom right you see here, the compilation is in progress. Okay, so here you see the status and done compiling, which means there is no error, and then click upload. Once you click upload, it will again compile. So meanwhile, you see here you see some comment, so go ahead and read this comment also for everything I have explained, although this is very small code. So this is void setup, and this is where I have placed a loop, and the red LED will glow for 5 seconds. So the code is very simple. Go ahead and take a look. So at the bottom right you see here the code is getting uploaded, and it's done. So as soon as you see the message leaving hard resetting via RTS pin, which means your code has been successfully uploaded to ESP32 board. Now it's time to test. So let's see. So on the screen, if you see here, a red LED will glow for 5 seconds, and yellow LED will glow for 2 seconds, and green LED will glow for 5 seconds. Okay, happy learning.